What's up everyone, Mr. Tech here. Today we'll be unboxing this Blue Yeti Nano from Logitech. I'm pretty sure all of you have heard of Logitech. They make mice, keyboards and gaming gear. This microphone is perfect for podcasting, streaming and YouTube. The retail price in the UK is about £100, so I checked the US website as well and it says about $100 as well, so or $99. So this voiceover is being recorded on the Blue Yeti Nano, so you guys can have a insight into the sound quality of this mic. So let's get into the unboxing and see what's included. First of all, I can see a warranty card. Secondly, it's a instruction manual, very useful. I didn't read it at first, so I couldn't use it properly, but it has got very important information there, so if you want to read it, read it. Software card or something, I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's about using their software. So if you register your product, you get 20% off next time off their website. Okay, so now we're going to take the foam off and see exactly what's inside. First look, the microphone in shadow grey looks very nice. Okay, so I'm going to just open the USB cable and see what kind of USB. So yeah, normal USB for the computer. Side you get a micro USB, so I'm pretty sure you can use your own USB cable if you like. Other things you get in the box is a thread adapter for boom poles or stands or whatever, for stand up recording. You can take the mic out of the stand that's provided if you like. Just to let you know, it's got two knobs at the sides, just twist them and it should just come off. On the front you got a volume knob for the headphones, I think that's what it is for, and a mute. So that button is multifunction, two options, cardioid and omnidirectional. Just one button, you just switch between the two. In a later video I'll explain the differences between the two options. One good thing about this microphone is it's got nice rubber on the bottom so it doesn't slip off your desk. Okay, so turning it over, in the back you can see a headphone jack so you can monitor your own sound, and a micro USB port for the computer, plug in and play. Also there's a threaded mount on the bottom for the thread adapter to go into for boom poles or stands or whatnot. And by the way, as I said before, you can take this microphone off the metal stand that it comes with and you can put it onto a proper boom pole if you like. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe and follow me on Instagram.